Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second part of this topic, which is the factoring of polynomials. The first part, we spoke about the factoring using the greatest common factor or taking out the greatest common factor. In this part, we are going to speak about the factoring of trinomials. Before starting this, we can just remind or mention some points that needed to be used for factoring trinomials. For the trinomials, we mean that we have three terms. So x squared plus bx plus c. This is trinomial. And we have two cases. For the coefficient of x squared, in this case we have 1. Some other cases it is not equal to 1. It can be greater than 1 or less than 1, positive or negative. But in this part we are going to speak about this form of trinomial x squared plus bx plus c. The first point that we need to remember is that the constancy given in the trinomial is the product of the constant terms of the binomials, which means that we are going to write x squared, this trinomial, as a product of two binomials. So we need two binomials where the constant given there, if we multiply it, I will have the constant c. I can call it k1, constant 1, and constant 2. Their product will give me the constant c. And their sum, if I add these two, I will get the constant b. And the third point, if the constant term c of the trinomial is positive, then I will have positive numbers, two positive constants. The constant terms of the binomials have the same sign as the coefficient b in the trinomial, which is this one. For the fourth point, if the constant term c of the trinomial is negative, if c is negative number, the constant terms of the binomials have opposite signs. Just explain this in the following examples. In these exercises, I need to factor each trinomial over the integer. Question number 9. I have x squared plus 7, x plus 12. The coefficient is 1. So question number 9, this or the trinomial can be written as a product of two binomials. For the first term, x squared, we can write it as x multiplied by x. It is x and x. X in the first bracket and x in the second bracket, or x in the first binomial and x in the second binomial. Now I need to find two numbers, their multiplication equal to 12 and their sum equal to plus 7. For the number 12, this can be written as 1 multiplied by 12, or it is 2 times 6, or minus 2 times minus 6, or minus 3 times minus 4, or plus 3 times plus 4, or minus 1 times minus 12. Now for the sum, I need to add these numbers. If we add the two numbers, minus 12 minus 1 will give me minus 13. Second one will give me plus 13. Third one, 2 plus 6 will give me 8. This is the sum. Minus 2 minus 6 will give me minus 8. Minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7, and plus 3 plus 4 is equal to plus 7. Now I need to choose the one that will give me plus 7, the middle one. And this is the last one. So the two numbers will be plus 3 plus 4. So these are the two binomials. If we multiply them, I will get x squared plus 7, x plus 12. So this can be explained at the point. Now the 12 is constant, or the positive number. The constant 12 is positive. So we can see the two numbers are positive, and take the positive sign of b. Their sum equal to b. This is the meaning of this point. If the constant c of the trinomial is positive, then the constant terms of the binomial have the same sign as the coefficient b. So coefficient b has positive, so these are positive. Let's have another example. Number 10. I have x squared plus 9x plus 20. I need to factor out this one. X squared plus 9x plus 20 is a trinomial with the coefficient of x squared equal to 1. So the x squared, the first one, will be written as x multiplied by x. For the 20, I need two numbers. Their multiplication is equal to 20. So this will be minus 1 times minus 20. And it is 1 times 20. It's equal also 2 times 10. Or minus 2 minus 10. And it is equal to 4 times 5 and minus 4 times minus 5. Now the sum of these numbers, the first one is minus 21. Second one will give me plus 21. Third one, it is 12. Next one, it is minus 12. Next one is plus 9. And last one is minus 9. So I need to choose the one that will give me plus 9. Because I have b is plus 9. So these two numbers are 4 times 5. So it is plus 4 plus 5. Next one, number 11. I have a squared minus 10a minus 24. So this will be a factor out as product of two binomials. Since I have coefficient of the a squared is equal to 1, so it is a multiplied by a. Now I need two numbers. Their multiplication equal to minus 24 and their sum equal to minus 10. So if you write the minus 24, this can be written as 1 multiplied by minus 24, or it is equal to minus 1 times 24, or it is 2 times minus 12, or it is 2, or minus 2 times 12 is equal to minus 3 times 8, or it is equal to 3 times minus 8, and it is 4 times minus 6, and the last one is minus 4 times 6. Now the sum for these numbers will be minus 23. Next one is plus 23. Next one is minus 10. Next one is plus 10. Then this will give me plus 5. Minus 5 is equal to minus 2 and plus 2. This is the sum. And we have b equal to minus 10. So I'm going to choose the one that will give me minus 10, which is this one. So the two constants for the binomial will be plus 2 and minus 12. We go for the next example. Number 12. I have b squared plus 12b minus 28. Since the coefficient is equal to 1, so this is b multiplied by b. Now we need two numbers, their multiplication equal to minus 28 and their sum equal to plus 12. And these two numbers will be plus 14 multiplied by minus 2. So they have opposite sign. It is plus 14 and minus 2. This will give me plus 12. Next exercise, for example, number 13, x squared plus 6x plus 5 will equal to this x multiplied by x. Now I need two numbers, their sum equal to, or their product equal to 5 and their sum equal to 6. This will be 1 times 5, and this is positive. It is plus 1 plus 5. Number 14, x squared or is equal to, it is x multiplied by x. Now I need two numbers, their product equal to plus 18, which is 1 times 18, which is again minus 1 minus 18, and this is 2 or 3 multiplied by, we say 2 first, 2 times 9 or minus 2 minus 9, and it is 3 times 6 and minus 3 times minus 6. But I need plus 11, and this will be 2 plus 9 equal to plus 11. So the two numbers will be plus 2 plus 11. So this is how to factor a trinomial if the leading coefficient or the coefficient of the x squared or a squared or b squared is equal to 1. If it is not equal to 1, then we'll have more steps to factor that out.